Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we're unboxing and introducing a high-performance micro GNSS module, the NEO4 Nano. The NEO4 Nano is a compact satellite navigation receiver featuring a highly integrated miniaturized design. It integrates the u-blox M10 GNSS receiver and supports concurrent reception of signals from 4 major global navigation systems. It is powered by a high-performance STM32H5 processor and includes the ST IIS2MDC electronic compass. With high positioning accuracy, excellent anti-interference capability, and strong environmental adaptability, it also features an RGB full-color status indicator and uses the CAN bus protocol, making it suitable for a wide range of unmanned systems. In terms of core hardware, the NEO4 Nano is equipped with an STM32H5 ARM Cortex-M33 processor running at up to 250 MHz. It also integrates the ST IIS2MDC high-precision electronic compass, offering strong environmental adaptability and anti-interference performance for stable operation even in complex electromagnetic environments. For performance, the module uses a TCXO temperature-compensated crystal oscillator. Cold start takes only 27 seconds, while hot start and assisted start can be as fast as 1 second. The navigation update rate reaches up to 10 Hz with 4-system concurrent operation, and can be increased to 25 Hz in single-system mode, with horizontal positioning accuracy of 1.5 meters CP. In terms of anti-interference, the NEO4 Nano supports RF interference and spoofing detection and reporting. It adopts a multi-stage SAW plus LNA filtering design combined with EMI RFI electromagnetic shielding, effectively improving signal integrity and flight safety. For communication, the module uses the DroneCAN protocol and supports firmware upgrades. It runs the CUAV M4C GNSS firmware and features a GTR04VS connector for strong compatibility and easy integration. An RGB full-color status indicator is also included, making operating status clear at a glance. In terms of size, the NEO4 Nano measures only 14.5 mm and weighs just 10.5 g. It operates at a voltage range of 4.5 to 5.4 V and can run reliably in ambient temperatures from 10 degrees Celsius to plus 80 degrees Celsius. Overall, the NEO4 Nano combines high accuracy, multi-constellation concurrent operation, strong anti-interference performance, and a compact design, making it an excellent choice for integration into various unmanned systems. What's in the box? CUAV NEO4 Nano. CAN cable. Stickers. That's everything inside the box. Thanks for watching. For more content, please follow the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.